Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do your static timing on a 79 shovelhead FXEF Fat Bob 74 cubic inch. Alright, so here I got the electronic pickups instead of the stock ones, and basically here's my sensor and here's the little pickups. These actually fat lobes, number 1, number 2, it's even labeled on there. Now basically after you get the little cover off and everything like that, what you want to do is make sure that your ignition is on, your kill switch or ignition switch, whatever you want to call it, is on. And make sure that your little timing alignment, well, advanced alignment I should say, is, for this case in my motor, it'd be right in the middle. Now for the shovel heads, you have a dot, a line, and then a dot. The first dot you're going to see is for the top dead center on the second cylinder, and then the second dot, which is going to be a little lower, is going to be for the first cylinder, which would come after that line since it rotates counterclockwise. So got that in the hole right there, right in the center pretty much. What you're going to do is pick up your little multimeter, $5 from Harbor Freight, not too expensive, or you can use a test light, whatever you want to do, don't care. I prefer this method because you can get it spot on. You got your positive to your ignition coil, usually it's a blue wire, and then your negative to your ground. Now, the reason why you have to have all this on is because when you turn that on, it gives that little coil power. So put that where you can see it. And one thing you should always do, which I'm going to do right now, is see what your battery voltage is at. So mine is running at 1316, and what do you know, my timing is right where it should be right now. But for this case, I'm going to show you. It says 1317, which is great, where I'm going to be at. So I'm going to move this retard. You can put it all the way advanced and then just go back until you see your little multimeter go down. Now you see how I moved it back too far, and that went down to like 1.1 something. Now I'm going to slowly move this clockwise until that jumps back up. Oh, right. I'm going to do it right when it jumps up, so I'm just going to keep on going, see if I can get it any higher. No. Oh. Okay, so my amps, it's charging right now, so my battery is, so it's going to keep on climbing. So once you hit about 12 volts, you should be good. So I'm just going to keep going back and then slowly move it forward until I hit 12, which is right there. I'm going to back it up a little bit, and you want to get it right on there, right when it just hits 12, right there. Now, alright, so I got it right there. You want to hold it in position and then tighten that sucker up, tighten the flywheels up. And you also want to make sure that the gap in between the lobe and the sensor is according to your book, which is really small. I forgot what it was, but sorry for my zoomed up hands right now. Just going to tighten this bad boy. Just got to tighten the flywheels up, and then the timing is pretty much good to go. I'll turn up one, this should be good for now, it's not going to move. And yeah, that's how you adjust your timing. So what that does, every time that goes around in a circle, it gives number 1 spark plug spark, and then number 2 spark plug spark. So it's pretty important to get this spark at the right time. Alright, that's it. Make sure you put your plug back on and your cover back on. You should be good to go.